The 5 most fascinating ancient cities you must know. 1. Mesopotamia's Babylon, known for its hanging gardens, symbolizes ancient innovation and beauty. 2. Greece's Athens, birthplace of democracy, boasts the iconic Parthenon and rich philosophical heritage. 3. Petra in Jordan, carved into rose-red cliffs, stands as a testament to ancient trade and culture. 4. Machu Picchu in Peru, an Incan citadel, reveals stunning architecture amidst breathtaking mountain scenery. 5. Rome, the heart of an empire, showcases the Colosseum and remarkable engineering feats throughout history. Subscribe us for more captivating content.